Find your one form of lead generation. Do all forms of lead generation work? Yeah, they do. Do all forms of lead generation work for every person? No, they don't. And that's where we need to figure out what our personality is and what the pieces are that fit with our personality, and then go to those, because we will do it consistently, we will do it well, and we'll do it long enough to have results for it. For example, let's just take the DISC, the DISC test. Go take one of those, by the way, if you haven't done it. If you find the lead generation piece that fits your personality and you match it to that, you're going to have better success if you follow the process of learning it and doing it and mastering it. But if you don't like it in the first place and it doesn't fit your personality, you're not going to do it because it's uncomfortable. It's way uncomfortable, and it's not going to last. Let me give you an example. If you're a D personality, which means that driver personality, right? Well, you can probably get on the phone and make calls. But if you're an S personality, that's that security, safety personality, right? It's the person that wants people to come to them. Well, you're not going to get on the phone and make phone calls. You want people to come to you. So if you're a D, you're looking at expireds, you're looking at neighborhood door knocking, you're looking at things like that. If you're an S, well, how about events, networking, things that build more relationships quicker and longer term? That's what you're going to look like and look for as well, including open houses, by the way. All right, there's your tip. Find your piece that fits your personality.